Yes sir, rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2013 BMW Active Hybrid 3. And we're gonna be replacing the battery on it. That's where it's located, up underneath the secondary battery, auxiliary battery. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Now, this is what we got so far. So I took this bolt out. It's a 10 mil. I took the bolt out right here. Goes here. 10 mil. Went ahead and took these two off. There's two of them. So I can remove that out the way. And it's a 13 mil bolt right here. That bracket going there and it holds down. Took this unit off of here. It clips on, hooks on to here. Took it out of that. Boom. Pull that up. Now we got 10 mil. 10 mil. Take off these terminals. All right, we got the terminals off. Don't need to remove those wires, those connectors there. Get this battery out. Got another bolt here, 13 mil. And look like we can come on out with it. All right, we got that out. And pull that out. And we have another panel that's covering the actual main battery. They're so sophisticated, man. That's ridiculous. So we got all the bolts out. And that 10 mil right there. That thing's hidden back here. I ain't see it. Now we can pull it out. See how it hooks. These two tabs here. And we have our battery, factory battery up there. BMW. Next we got some bolt down here on the side. Gotta hit that. Another 13 mil. And your 10 mil. 10 mil. Get those terminals off. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and test the battery while it's undone. See what we got. All right, we got bad battery. 122 crank amps. Supposed to be 900. All right, we got everything undone. All right, and we got this line, undo this line, then pull it on out. All right, brand new battery. That's what we need, H8. That's 900, 900. We good, all right, reinstall. Got our secondary battery installed. Man, This job is not easy. I don't care what nobody say. They got this thing hitting. It might be a few bolts, just a few bolts, but it don't matter. It's a price for everything, and you pay for what you can afford. You know what I mean? These prices, I don't charge prices that sky high, like over shop prices, dealership prices. No, it's going to be the shop price, dealership price. This is what I charge. I'm not putting a gun to nobody's head. You do your research. If it's affordable for you, you pay it. Don't complain about nobody else's prices. I had a guy on my short video on here gonna say it's just a few bolts, you taxi. Yeah, okay. That's why you're not my client. People like you would not be my client. I turn y'all down. I don't like when y'all talk like that. Yeah, but I'm in here like swimwear, and I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna get paid regardless, you feel me? You dig? Got everything installed, everything hooked up. And that's pretty much it. Battery replacement. Hey man, if you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. All that good shit, man. I appreciate all the likes and engagement. I'm gonna see y'all next video. Pull up King.